Hello dear students, today I will discuss about equation of a straight line. In the previous class I have already discussed about the slope of a line in two-dimensional line m equal to tan theta, and with the slope how can we find the limit angle between two lines? Already we have studied in the previous class. Now, next I will discuss about equation of a straight line, because we will study geometry by using algebra. Geometry means first thing is line. So how can we represent line as a algebraic equation? Okay, so here we know coordinate of point in two-dimensional plane. This is our two-dimensional plane, x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. We know any point having coordinates x, y. So for finding equation of line, first of all, with respect to this frame, if line is, first is what? Horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal and vertical line means here always we use a frame that just like this, x-axis and y-axis. If line is parallel to y-axis, this is a vertical line. Okay, so parallel to y-axis, any line, or parallel to x-axis, any line. They are the parallel to x-axis, horizontal line. Parallel to y-axis, vertical line. Okay, so suppose we are having just this type of line, line L1, line L2, line L3. These are the line parallel to x-axis. So by using coordinate system, if we take any point on this line L1, then by using coordinate technique we can see that this value is for y, this value is for y. Okay, if this is value b, then also here is distance b. At any point on this line L1, from any point, distance of x-axis at any perpendicular distance always b. So for any point on this line L, we can write y coordinate is equals to b for any point. So y equals to b is a straight line parallel to x-axis at a b distance from x-axis. Similarly, if this distance is b1, then y equals to b1 minus, this is a negative direction, so minus b1. If this distance is what? b2, then its equation is y equals to minus b2. This is a parallel horizontal line. And vertical lines means parallel to y-axis. We can take line just like this, parallel to y-axis. Suppose we are having line this L4. So at any point on this line L4, from we can see the distance. Suppose this distance is A1. So at all the points on this line y4, we can see the perpendicular distance of y-axis from here always A1. So this is what? X coordinate in this line, x-axis direction. So this is x equals to A1 is the equation of line. That is x equal to some constant. Here suppose this is line L5 and this distance is A2. So at any point on this line, distance is what? A2. So we can write x equals to minus A2 because negative side. Okay. So that means what? This is equation of line, this is equation of line, vertical line. So x equals to constant gives equation of vertical line, that is line parallel to y-axis. X equal to constant line parallel to y-axis, and y equals to constant gives equation of horizontal line, that is lines parallel to x-axis. Okay, so this is our formula. Y equals to constant means horizontal line parallel to x-axis, this line, and x equal to constant means vertical line. This is line parallel to y-axis. Clear? So this is first point about line, because there are different form of equation of line. These are the simple first horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. Now second form, point slope form. Just we are trying to discuss about what? How can we write the equation of line in two-dimensional plane? Okay, so this is horizontal and vertical line, first point. Second is point slope form. Point slope form means we know that a line can be drawn in two-dimensional plane using two conditions. That is line passing through a point and slope of line is this. We know about slope. So suppose second form is point slope form. Suppose this is our frame, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, origin is here, x dash, y dash. Now a line passing through a point and having slope m, point slope form. Point slope means passing through this point and having slope this. We know slope what? Tan theta or tan of angle which makes by the line with positive direction of x-axis. Suppose we are having a line just like this. from anywhere you can draw. Suppose this is our line, okay, L, and its slope we know. Its slope we know. That means slope is having slope m. Slope is given. Clear? Slope is given means maybe given angle. Slope is given means this angle is given. If this is given, then m equals to what? Tan of theta. This is slope. This is given. Either angle is given or slope is given. And a line passing through a point. Line passing through a point. Suppose that point is this A. X1, Y1. Point and slope. Okay. So point slope form directly maybe slope is given, value of m, or maybe theta is given. But that is angle which makes line with x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. So here slope is m, and now if we take, because equation of line means algebraic equation involving x and y, where x and y is what? Coordinate of arbitrary points on the line, means any point. Arbitrary point means we can take any arbitrary point on this line. We can take point here, 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 and suppose arbitrary point, we take arbitrary point like this, here, P. Take slope is tan of theta, and arbitrary point. Take an arbitrary point. Take an arbitrary point P on the line, coordinate having x. So arbitrary point means point may be anywhere on the line. So now slope is this. Slope means tan theta equals to perpendicular by this. So here, if we draw a line, perpendicular line like this. So this is the what value? Y. This is y. And if we draw here line, perpendicular, what is this? Y1. Now if we draw also, just write it's here, A. X1, Y1. Okay. Now, if you draw a line parallel to x-axis from here, draw perpendicular here. Okay, so P, A, just suppose B, C, D. Now, this and this parallel line. So, this value is, this is Y, and this is, this is X, and this is X1. So, this is X1, X minus X1. This value is X minus X1. So, this is X minus X1. Now, this is angle theta. So, this is angle theta. So, in this triangle APD, in triangle APD, tan theta equals to perpendicular by base PD by AD. So here M slope, PD what? This is Y, this is Y. This is Y minus Y1. This value. And this value X minus X1. So here PD Y minus Y1 upon X minus X1. So from here we write what? Y minus, from here we can write Y minus Y1 equals to Mx minus X1. So this is our point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. Okay. Point slope form. Y minus Y1, Mx minus X1. Here X1, Y1 is given point and M is the slope. Okay. Suppose point is 2, 3. Point is 2, 3 and slope is 5. Then how can you write the equation of line? Just use it. 2, 3 means this is x1, this is y1. Slope m5 means m. So we can write y minus y1 means 3 equals to slope 5 x minus 2. So this is the equation, an algebraic equation in x and y. X, y, what? Arbitrary points on the line. This is point slope form. Okay, so this is second formula. First formula, vertical and horizontal line. Second, point slope form. Point slope form. Okay. So remember it. How can we write the point equation of line in point slope form? Clear? Now, in this direction, in this formula, if we are given the line passing through 2 points, not slope. Okay. This is our known formula when we know slope and passing point. If a line passing through 2 points, suppose A point x1, y1, another point B, x2, y2. Line passing through these 2 points. If line passing through these 2 points, then we want to write the equation of line. For writing the equation of line, we require slope and a point from which line pass. So here line passing through these both points. So we have point x1, yn, x1, yn. Now slope is required. But line passing through these 2 points, and we know that the slope of a line passing through 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here slope can be written what? M equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope of line AB. AB is line. Slope of line AB, M equals to what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And also line AB passing through point A. So we can write equation y minus this, y minus y1, and equals to, in place of slope, we write y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Just put the value of n. And here x minus x1. So this is 2-point form. This is 2-point form. 2-point form. Equation 2-point form, point slope form. 2-point form. Suppose you are given 2 point, just like this line passing through point 1, 2 and 0, 5. 2.12. Suppose this is A and this is B. Then just use exam y1, x2, y2. Just put the value here. You can get equation of line. Y minus y1, y minus 2. Just write what? Y minus 2 equals to y2 minus y1. This means 5 to minus 2 upon 0 minus 1 and x minus 1. So solving this, we can get a algebraic equation in x and y. That is equation of line. 2-point form. Clear? So this is third form. Now slope intercept form. Because 2 things should be given. Where 2-point form, 2 points are given. Point slope form, point and slope is given. Now slope intercept form. Suppose we are given the line intercepts on x-axis or on y-axis. Some intercept. Intercept means the value. Just like any real number. Intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Intercept form. Slope intercept form. This is fourth form. Means, suppose we are having this frame x-axis y-axis. Okay, origin. This is. Now line can be drawn just here, here, and like this, anyway. You can draw the line. Suppose we'll draw the line like this or like this. This line L1, this line L2. This line also intercept means in x-axis this line makes intercept in this line, this value. This is intercept. This value is the x-intercept of this line. This line makes this value intercept on x-axis OA. And this line makes OB intercept on y-axis. This line makes OC intercept on x-axis. This line makes OD intercept in y-axis. This is y-intercept. This is y-intercept. This is x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept. X-intercept. Clear? Now, if this intercept is given, either this intercept or this intercept is given, and slope is given of line. Suppose its slope is m. Slope is given m. Clear? And one of the intercept is given. Suppose y-intercept c is given. Small c. This line makes y-intercept c. Then coordinate of d is what? Here x equal to 0 and value of y is c. This line passing through this point and having slope m. Point slope form. We can use point slope form for this. Because this is intercept, y-intercept 0c. C may be negative also. If here, then 0 may be negative. So y-intercept is given, then this is the coordinate from which line pass. This is point, this is slope. So point slope form is y minus point. What is point? 0, c. Here c. y1 equals to slope given x minus x1 means 0. So we can write y minus c equals to mx. So from here we can write y equals to mx plus c. So this is slope intercept form, y-intercept. C is y-intercept. Y-intercept. Clear? If x-intercept is given, suppose x-intercept is given d. X-intercept is given d. Okay? Yeah. Or 8 or 8. Okay. D-intercept, that its coordinate will be what? D and 0. Because value of y is 0 in x-axis. So, line passing through this point and slope f. That is y minus d equals to mx minus d. Y minus 0, sorry. Y minus 0. That is x1, y1. So, y minus 0 equals to this. We can write y equals to mx minus d. This is also slope intercept form. D is x-intercept. Okay? So, slope intercept form. This is y-intercept form, this is x-intercept form. So remember this formula, because for solving questions we use formula whenever depend on the condition given in questions, whether slope is given, point is given, intercept is given. So this is slope intercept form. Okay. Next form is intercept form. Both intercepts are given. Only intercept form. Okay, only intercept form. Intercept form is two things are given, so both intercept means x intercept and y intercepts are given by the line. Then how can we find the equation of line? Okay, so very important this intercept form, because x axis, y axis, this is x dash, this is y dash. Okay, this is origin. Line may be drawn like this, like this, like this, like this, from anywhere. Always line intersect both axes in 2 points. Suppose we are having line like this, then this is A intercept, x intercept, this is B. This is line, this is all line L. This line makes x intercept A, makes y intercept B. These two intercepts are given. Intercept form, x intercept A, y intercept B. So we can write its coordinate like this: 0, value of x is 0, B, and value of x is A, 0. Okay. Now this line passing through 2 points. You can draw a line like this, like this, like this, in any way. So this line passing through these 2 points A and B, so 2 point form. We know 2 point form what? This is 5. 2 point form? 2 point form. What is 2 point form? 2 point form is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This is 2 point form. So here x1 y1 x2 y2. Just use it here. X and y are arbitrary points here. So y minus y1. Suppose this is y1, x1 y1. So y minus y1 0 equals to y2 means b minus 0 upon x2 means 0 minus a x minus a. Just use this is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then we can get from here the format a x intercept b y intercept. So here y equals to minus b by a x minus a. Just solve it. Y a equals to minus bx plus b. So here we see that xb plus ya equals to ab. Just divide by ab. Divide by ab both sides. xb by ab plus ya by ab equals to ab by ab. Then we get here what? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. So this is our intercept form. Whenever any line makes intercept, x intercept a, y intercept b, then we can write the equation of line as x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay. So intercept form is what? Very simple for writing: x by a plus y by b equals to 1. This is intercept form. A x-intercept, B y-intercept. Okay. So this is intercept form of equation of a straight line in two-dimensional plane. Now, next form is normal form. So next form is normal form. 6. Normal form. Generally we know that normal form means what? Normal means perpendicular. So if we have a line and a perpendicular distance from origin, just like this. Suppose we have, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, origin. Now, if we are having this line, this is line. Okay. Now, perpendicular distance of the line from origin is given. Means, draw perpendicular from origin. This is perpendicular. This is our line, and this line, the perpendicular distance of this line from origin is P. Means from origin draw perpendicular to the line. This is perpendicular distance. And this perpendicular makes alpha angle. This perpendicular makes alpha angle with positive direction of x-axis. Then we can write normal form. This is called normal form. So in this case, here in this, we have to find equation of this line. Clear? Now, if this point is A, foot of the perpendicular from origin to the line, this A, then A can be, if alpha is the angle between perpendicular and x-axis, so we can draw from here perpendicular, and suppose this is B. Then coordinate of A, can be written as, this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Clear? That is, A, coordinate of A is OB and AB. This will be the coordinate of AB. And it can be found. Here alpha is angle. So, cos theta and tan theta we can use. Cos alpha equals to what? Base by hypotenuse. OB by this. OB by OA. Base by, because this is perpendicular. So base by hypotenuse. So from here we can find OB equals to OA cos alpha. That is, OB equals to OA means P cos alpha. Similarly, sine. We can take sine. Sine alpha equals to perpendicular this AB by hypotenuse. AB by OA. That is AB by P. That is AB equals to P sine alpha. Clear? AB equals to P sine alpha and OB equals to P cos alpha. So this point is given by which value? P cos alpha, P sine alpha. So we get this point. So line passing this point through this point, because two things are given, alpha angle and P. This is in terms of alpha and P. So this point is this. And slope of this line can be found by using this angle, because this perpendicular makes alpha angle with positive direction of x-axis, that is tan alpha is slope of this line. So slope of line L is equals to minus 1 upon slope of OA. Slope of this line. This and this line are perpendicular. So we know the slope of any of the line of perpendicular line is equals to the minus of 1 upon other line. So slope of OA, slope of line L is equals to minus of 1 upon slope of OA. Slope of OA is equals to tan alpha. And this is equals to what? Tan means sine cos minus cos alpha upon sine alpha. So this is slope. This is our slope of line. Slope of line. So its slope is given by minus cos alpha upon sine alpha. It is also in terms of alpha. So we can write point slope form. Thus, equation is what? Point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. That is y minus y1 means y1 this is x1, this is y1, this is m. So y minus p sine alpha equals to slope is minus cos alpha upon sine alpha, and x minus x1 means p cos alpha. So it can be simplified. Just like this: x cos alpha plus y sine alpha equals to p. X sine alpha plus y sine alpha. X sine alpha plus y sine alpha equals to p. So this is normal. You can solve it. Just sign, multiply here, and solve it. After solving, you can get like this: x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p, where alpha means this angle and p means perpendicular distance from origin of the line. Clear? So normal form is also clear. What? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So you can use this if we know alpha and p. So these are the 6 form or 5 form of writing equation of a straight line. Okay. So remember all these format because they are very very important for solving questions, and also further in class 12 and etc. If you want to study in higher classes mathematics, then always you require this type of equation, a straight line. Okay, so one by one we can write. First, horizontal or vertical lines. What horizontal line means? Y equals to constant, and vertical line means x equals to constant. Okay, horizontal means this, y equal to constant. Vertical means this, vertical means x equal to constant. Second, point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form means point is given x1 y1 and slope is given m. Then what is equation? Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Point slope form, y minus y1 equals to x minus x1. Okay, this point slope form, or this is y equal to constant, x equal to constant. Horizontal and vertical line. Point slope form. Point this, slope this. Third, 2-point form. 2-point form. 2-point means x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we can write how? Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay, this is 2-point form. Third form is what? Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope m, intercept x or y intercept. X or y intercept. If slope is m, x intercept is d, y intercept is c, then equation is what? Y equals to m x minus d. One is this, or another is what? Y equals to mx plus c. This is d. D is x intercept and y is c. C is y intercept and slope is m. Then equation can be written like this. Fifth, intercept form. Both intercept. Intercepts form. Intercepts form means x intercept a and y intercept b, then x by a plus y by b equals to 1. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. And 6 is what? Slope intercept form, and then intercept form, and then normal form. 6 is normal form. Normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. P perpendicular distance of line, and alpha Alpha is angle makes by line with x-axis. Okay. So these are the summarization of how can we write the equation of a straight line in different cases. Horizontal, this y equal to some constant, vertical x equal to constant, point slope, this is point, this is slope, then equation can be written 2 point, this 2 point passing, the line passing through this 2 point, then we can write like this. If line makes x-intercept b and slope m, then this. Y-intercept c and slope m, then this. If x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b, then we can write like this. If normal form, if the perpendicular distance p is the perpendicular distance of line from origin, perpendicular distance of the line from origin is p, and this perpendicular makes angle makes by perpendicular with x-axis. Perpendicular distance, this perpendicular makes alpha angle with x-axis. Then we can write equation like this. Okay, so remember this, and these are all this type of format are used for solving questions, for finding the equation of line. Okay. Question 1 of exercise 10.2, write the equation for the x-axis and y-axis. To find the equation of line which satisfy the given condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the questions for finding equation of line. So here solution of first question. Write the equation for the x-axis and y-axis. For x-axis we know, how can we write the equation of x-axis and y-axis? X-axis, if we see, for this line makes angle with itself is 0 degree, so slope is m equals to tan 0, 0. Slope is 0. And any point on this line, having value, some value, and value of y is 0. So y minus 0 equals to 0 into x minus some value. This is what? Y equals to 0. So equation of this line is y equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, equation of y-axis, x equals to 0. Okay. This line makes 90 degree. So slope is equals to tan 90 infinity. So we can write any point here x equals to 0 and y 1. So how can we write like this? Y minus y1 is point and slope infinity, x minus 0, x1 0. So here just we can see that x minus 0 equals to y minus y1 upon infinity. This is equals to 0. So implies x equals to 0. Equation of this. Okay. Also, the distance of x-axis from x-axis is 0. So that is y equals to 0. Distance. Distance of y-axis from y-axis is 0. So x equals to 0 is the equation of x-axis and y-axis. So we can write the equation of x-axis is y equals to 0 and equation of x-axis is y equals to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Okay. Now question second. Line passing through point -43 and slope half. The equation of line passing through x1, y1 and slope m is given by y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Here given x1, y1. What is the point? -4, 3 and half. -4, 3 and slope is half. Slope is half. -4, 3. So just put here y minus y1, that means 3 equals to m means half and x minus x1 means -4. So we can solve it. Y minus 3 equals to x plus 4 by 2. So here we can multiply it by 2. So but 2y minus 6, 2y minus 6, just multiply and transfer to here. -4 equals to 0. So we can write what? Minus x plus 2y minus 10 equals to 0. So you can write like this: x minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0. So this is our equation of a straight line. Okay, x minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0. So we can see also answer. So here 10.2. X minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0. Now passing through 0, 0 and with slope m. The equation of line passing through 0, 0 and slope m. So here also simple, just passing through 0, 0 and slope m. So this is given 0, 0 and slope is m. Equation third. Question third. The equation of line passing through the point x1, y1 and slope m is given by is this. So here passing through origin, that is this is 0, 0 and this is slope is m. Slope is m. Slope m. So just put here y minus y1 means 0, m, x minus 0. So we get y equals to mx. So this is answer. Okay. Now question 4. 4 is what? Passing through 2 root 3 and inclination with the x axis at an angle 75 degree. So here just also we know that this we can write in this format also. Okay. So the equation of line passing through this point, and so here point is given what? In this equation point is given just like 2 root 3. Okay, this is given point. And with inclination at the with the x-axis, inclined with the x-axis at an angle 75 degree. That means the line inclined at 75 degrees. So slope is equals to m equals to tan of 75 degree. Clear? So here we use y minus y1 means 2 root 3. Just first find slope here. Okay. Question 4 here slope tan 75 means we can write 45 plus 30. So tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b 30 upon 1 minus tan a means 45 into tan 30 degree. So 1 plus tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. So this can be written what? Root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. So m slope is equal to this. Then y minus y1 2 root 3 equals to m root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 and x minus 2. So by solving this we can find the equation of straight line. So multiply it here, this into this, y minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 equals to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so here multiply root 3y minus 6 root 3 3 into 2 6 minus y plus 2 root 3 equals to also multiply root 3x plus x minus 2 root 3 minus 2. So we can get just like this root 3y minus root 3x. X and y quantity, just take left hand side, root 3y minus root 3 x root 3 minus root 3y minus y minus root 3x minus x equals to here minus 2 root 3 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 root 3. So just transferring constant terms on right hand side. Here we see that minus root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y root 3 minus 1 into y is equals to this cancel 4. So we can write root 3 plus 1 x minus root 3 minus 1 y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is the equation of line root 3 plus 1 into x minus root 3 minus y and here root 3 4 into root 3 minus 1 root 3 1 plus x root 3 minus 1 y equals to 4 root 3 minus 1 sorry here minus 2 root 3 minus minus plus minus 4 root 3. Minus 4 root 3. So we get just this is equals to 4 of root 3 minus 4. Just multiply minus sign on both sides. So here we get root 3 plus 1 into x minus root 3 minus 1 into y equals to 4 common root 3 minus 1. So this is our answer of question 4. Okay, question 5. Intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin with slope minus 2. So we also know that the equation of intercept form, slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form? We know slope intercept form. This is y equals to mx plus c, and also y equals to mx minus d. This is our slope intercept form. This is y intercept, or this is x intercept. X intercept. Okay, so this is our formula, we know. So here, just according to the questions, x intercept is given. Question: x intercept by the line, required line is given as d equals to minus of intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units from left to the left of the origin. From here, this left, this is minus 3. So d equals to minus 3. Okay, so d equals to minus 3. And slope of line is m equals to minus 2. This is given. Okay. We know that the equation of line which cut intercept on x-axis as d and slope of line is n, then is given by y equals to m x minus d. So y equals to m is what? Minus 2, x minus 3. So here we get what? Y equals to minus 2x minus 6. Because x plus 3, so minus 2x minus 6. So we get 2x plus y equals to, or plus 6 equals to 0. So this is our solution. What is the solution? 5. 2x plus y plus 6. 2x plus y plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. So here just what is required? We have to know, or it is required to know all the formula, or depend on different situation. Which formula will be used? Here x-intercept is given and slope is given. So slope-intercept formula you can use, x-intercept formula this. So put the value and you can get the equation of line as algebraic equation. Okay. So in a similar fashion, we can solve all the questions of exercise 10.2. We will solve next remaining questions in the next class. But in this class, you have to write all the formula in your copy and also solve these 5 questions and send me PDF file for your attendance. Okay.